Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing my update for my sample project pan. I did not do as well as I've done previously in the past updates this month, but I still wanted to share it with you. I feel like I just haven't been wearing a lot of makeup lately. I haven't been as good with my skincare routine. I don't know what's going on. I think it's just been a stressful month. Let's just jump into this. This is what everything looks like in here, and we're gonna go through one by one what I used up and what I did not and what I am bringing in. First things first is the Never Ending lip product. So this is the Kat Von D Studded Kiss lipsticks. I'm still using the shade Lolita, and I am about halfway done with it. I can't remember if I was at that point last update or not, but that's where I'm at now, and I was able to use it 7 times this past month. Another makeup product that I brought into this project was this primer from NYX, and it is the Marshmallow Primer. I used this 4 times this past month, and I thought it worked pretty well. The hard part is at the end of the night, every time I wore this, I just wanted to take off my makeup and just get it over with, get in bed, things like that. I didn't actually check to see, you know, if it had sunk into my fine lines or how well it had held up my makeup for the day. It's what I normally do, and I will check at the end of the day if I'm trying out a new product. And I did not with this, so I'm very bummed because I can't give a very good review on it. I did enjoy it. I just don't know if it was amazing enough for me to purchase. So if you have tried this, let me know down below what your thoughts are. How did it work for you? Especially as far as if you have dry skin, and did it make your makeup last longer? I may have to try that one again at some point so that I can form an opinion on it. Next up was this reversal skincare packet with the 3-step system kind of a thing. And it was like a 15-day supply. I'm like, oh yeah, I can get this used up. We've got like 30 days in the month. This will be done. Like I said, it was just not the best month, I guess, for me, because I only used up 2 of the foil packets. So not even the 3rd step. I didn't even get to use the serum yet, because that was like the second, like after you use these up, you move into the serum. So I used up the cleanser and the moisturizer, and actually I really liked them, and I feel like my skin looked great afterwards. But I did a bad thing, and I used these pretty consistently for like I think 5 days, and then I stopped and just used my regular skincare routine, and I don't know why. This was great. I liked it. I don't know why I stopped using it. To use up these 2 foil packets, the cleanser and the moisturizer, I did use them each 6 times. So I believe it said 5 times, but I got 6 uses out of each of them. This is still in the project until I use it up. I still have 7 of these foil packet things to go through. Hopefully I'm better about this month, and I can actually finish this up and form a better opinion on this using all 3 products. The next disappointing update is my fragrance. Now normally I can go through one of these in 1 month, no problem. It usually takes me about the whole month to use up though. But this is a spray, which I feel like goes quicker. Victor and Rolf Bon Bon perfume there's still some in there. Yeah. And I used it 20 times. So this is still being rolled over. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna finish this up, and it'll be done by next update. It has to be. There's barely any in there, but I don't want to cheat. We're not cheating in these updates, so I tell you the truth. I did not finish this. The last product that I had rolled in from last update is the hair product, and this is by Haircare, and this is their Curiously Clarifying Shampoo. I did use this up. I did manage to finish this one. It's a foil packet, and I used it 3 times, so I didn't get a whole lot of use out of it. So let's get into hopefully the exciting part of this update, which is usually my favorite part, is when I get to roll in new products to use. So this month I get to roll in 2 new products, and one of those products is a hair sample, and I have this Derma-E foil packet duo here, shampoo and conditioner, and this is their thickening shampoo and conditioner. Okay, now this one I am super excited about. This is the makeup sample I'm going to be rolling in, and it is from NARS, and it is actually a concealer and a foundation. This is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation and the Radiant Creamy Concealer. I don't feel like I have the right shades in here is the only downfall, because maybe this custard might, I don't know, I'm so pale that I just don't think any of these shades in here are light enough for me. But we are going to try the formula and see if I like the formula, because I feel like a lot of people love NARS foundation and their concealers, so I am super excited to try this out. And if it works well, then maybe I'll purchase it in my actual shade. All right, so that was everything. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I know it wasn't the most exciting update, but we have these months and I have to be honest and I have to share the real stuff with you guys. So hopefully that's all right. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you all next time. I hope you all have a wonderful and beautiful rest of your day. Take care, everyone. Bye.